Uploading files and folders to Google Drive. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Good day. I'm going to show you how you can upload files as well as large folders directly onto your Google Drive. So you want to jump into your Google Chrome and you want to open a new tab, and on the right hand side you have your apps, and you're going to go ahead and look for Google Drive. It's the little colorful triangle. You're going to tap on that. Now this is what their homepage looks like, and you're going to go over to the left hand side of the screen. Now from this menu there are currently no folders, but this is actually where you will find all the folders that you create when you create a folder inside of Drive. So the current view that you're seeing as well is in fact the files view. You can now just go ahead and tap on folders and you can see all of your folders over here. So from here you can go ahead over to the left hand side and you're going to tap on new. Now this is where you'll be able to create a new folder. So literally if you're tapping on that, you can create a folder, and we're going to call it folder 2, and you can tap on create. Now if you want to import or upload images or files, documents, videos to folder 2, you can literally just go ahead, tap on new and tap on file upload. So what it'll basically do is open up this window to your device, and here you can actually upload the files that you would like to upload. So just for example, I'm going to select something and I'm going to tap on open, and you can see now it's going to be uploaded onto this page over here, and this is actually not in any folder. If you want to go ahead and upload files into a specific folder, you are going to have to select that folder, and once it is now open, you can either drag and drop files here, or on the left hand side you're going to click on file upload and do exactly the same as you did previously. Select the files that you want to upload and it'll be uploaded over here. On the right hand side on the bottom of the screen, you can see that there's some progress. These are the files that are actually being uploaded, and the green tick next to the file actually indicates that the file has been uploaded. It also says that it's been complete. And now let us upload some folders. Over here there is a folder upload button. We can literally just tap on that, and here it'll only show you folders within your actual device. So you can go ahead, tap on whichever folder you want to upload, and now it'll be uploaded. Now just remember, I was still in the folder 1, so this folder is actually going to be uploaded into folder 1. If you want to just upload it into My Drive, you can just tap on the My Drive button at the top, or you can tap on the Home button or the My Drive button on the left hand side, and that folder will be uploaded here. You can then go ahead and you can view your folders and files separately. If you're looking for some more awesome tips on Google products, you can go ahead and click on this video, and we will catch you on the other side. Cheerio.